fell in love with Sandy. So why, I don't know, but I'll tell you all about it in the song, folks. Come along with that. I heard you. Sandy was a healing man, quite a dandy healing man. Left his kilt at home one night and put some trousers on. To a healing ball he went, such a lovely time he spent. No mistake about it, Sandy looked a perfect don. They all danced and played his games as well. Sandy was the big attraction with his charming belle. All the ladies fell in love with Sandy. Sandy seemed to captivate them all. No mistake, he looked a proper dandy at the old Scotch ball. And hiding the button, then they all played. Sandy thought it just a thing. But going home that night, Sandy's trousers looked a sight, tied up with a little bit of string. Poor old Sandy. He did look a sight too, Mother. Sandy searched upon the ground with the ladies all around, looking for the buttons in the corners everywhere. Someone let the gas go out, that made all the ladies shout. All the room was dark, but Mr. Sandy didn't care. Off his trousers each old button came, and all the pretty ladies there, they seemed to like the game. For all the ladies fell in love with Sandy. Sandy seemed to captivate them all. No mistake, he looked a proper dandy at the old Scotch ball. And hiding the button, then they all played. Sandy thought it just a thing. But going home that night, Sandy's trousers looked a sight, tied up with a little bit of string. That's funny. You know what I mean, don't you? Poor old Sandy had to roam with a lot of ladies home. Not a single button on his tartan trousers too. Suddenly, oh what a joke, that one piece of string there broke. One young girl said, Sandy lad, you're looking bad, it's true. Sandy said, I've trouble to the hilt. I've just been thinking, laddie, that I wish I'd brought my kilt. For all the ladies fell in love with Sandy. Sandy seemed to captivate them all. No mistake, he looked a proper dandy at the old Scotch ball. And hiding the button, then they all played. Sandy thought it just a thing. But going home that night, Sandy's trousers looked a sight, tied up with a little bit of string. Come on, me lad. All the ladies fell in love with Sandy. No mistake, he looked the old Scotch. Okay, finding the button and they all played. Just a thing. But going home that night, Sandy's trousers looked all the ladies fell in love with Sandy. Sandy seemed to captivate them all. No mistake, he looked a proper dandy. He looked a bit of a sight, I'll tell you that.